It's Noel and our Juliet, Chelsea, so that they can share to you how the experience was appearing in a Shakespeare play in today's Jologs Gen X community. Come on, ladies first. Juliet, Chelsea.
Oh.
Or your mic is open?
Yes.
Okay.
I found doing Shakespeare kind of hard since it's Old English, and since it's a new generation, there's so many slangs and all. It's kind of hard to improvise when doing Shakespeare, because you can't really improvise unless you prepare it well, or else it won't be in the theme. But I really like doing this play, and it feels so nice to be Juliet and to be doing it with this cast. And I think it's your turn.
Yes, hi Tita Toots. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time of your day to be here with us this Thursday evening. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. We hope that you all enjoyed. And for me, I think that even if this is a very this is a musical that's set like long time ago, it's still quite relevant until this day because Romeo and Juliet are nepo babies. And they're I'm just saying that there's still social relevance, even if it seems as though parang it's entertainment. There's still that sense in it. And apart from that, very relatable siya kahit yung English, Old English nga, like what Juliet said here. Old English, it's hard to really understand if you're not reading it or if you're not really listening intently. Pero yung iba't ibang emotions, it spans across time. Kahit until now, there's still love, there's still fighting, there's still hate, and even so, there's still hope that there will be change because in the end, love changes everything. Sabi nga nung last week. So I hope that that's the message that everyone will take here. Na love changes everything. If we love ourselves, let's love each other. Wow.
And your guest, we also have, I'm proud to announce also one of our alternate, not Juliet, AC Gamo. It's her debut. Yesterday.
So my experience with learning Shakespeare and all that was kind of difficult because I had to incorporate modern language with the old language. So it was incredibly difficult to fix my tonality, fix my the way I would say things and everything. So you really have to understand what you're saying and all that, and understand who Juliet is and everything. So it was really nice being Juliet.
Thank you so much.